Hi, everyone. My name is Emily Vaughn, and I'm the head of business development at GEM. So today, I'm very excited to present WeFficiency. It is a community-managed sustainability app, and the goal of this project was to submit something for the Wildcard category. We wanted to see what kinds of applications and citizen-centric technologies could be developed on top of smart grid infrastructure. So first I just want to introduce GEM. We are a venture-backed blockchain technology company based in Venice, California. Today in Shanghai, you have me, Emily, and you also have Micah Winkelspect, our CEO and founder. This is our first time traveling to China, and we're really excited to be here. GEM's core technology is GEMOS. It is an application development platform, and we provide data collaboration tools and design services to enterprise developers that are looking to bring their blockchain projects to life. We have an incredible team, and we have been working very hard to make our tools and resources more available to a wider audience. So today I'm representing our world-class engineering team who submitted this application along with several others for the Wanchong Blockchain Challenge. Our engineers put a lot of heart and a lot of creative energy into our submissions, and I'm really proud to be working with these guys. So jumping into it, WeFficiency is an application that seeks to incentivize citizens to lower their energy consumption, and it rewards them with credits that they can use to vote on projects in their community. We have this idea that in the smart grid, we would know what an individual's energy consumption would be, and we can reward efforts to lower that consumption with credits that the citizen can use to take municipal action on projects that they care about. So how it works is first the municipality, the sort of community managers would set a sustainability goal, like lowering your personal energy usage to a certain amount. And then once the citizen lowers their energy, they would be rewarded with a credit that they could use to vote on projects in their community. The proposals that the citizens can vote on are managed by a smart contract. And we believe that over time, this will make citizens more actively conscious about their energy consumption. This is a look at the UI that we put together for this project. It shows the citizen usage dashboard, which measures their individual energy usage relative to their micro-region within a smart city, and then within the smart city as a whole. It allows them to track their personal goals, the amount of energy that their devices are consuming, and we believe that having a dashboard like this will make the citizens more informed about the impact of their energy use, and over time just creates a smarter city. So the ultimate goal of this proposal was to incentivize better consumption behavior by directly connecting conservation efforts with outcomes in the community. We have this perception that saving energy might feel like a passive activity. And in order to incentivize citizens to take action in their energy use, they need to feel connected to the impact that they are creating. And we think this is especially relevant in China, where people take a lot of pride in their small communities within large cities. So the project had, three major goals that we wanted to demonstrate. One was an incentive structure that empowers individuals and localities. And the second was to demonstrate the importance of having data transparency as part of the smart grid infrastructure. Applications like this would not be possible if the data that's measuring individual energy usage is not made accessible to developers and citizens alike. And we also wanted to demonstrate an accountability platform that allows for citizens to be accountable for their energy use, as well as for governments to be accountable for the promises that they make. So the technical components of our application include smart contracts that codify the requirements of sustainability goals and measure the success of the participants, as well as managing the credit allocation for the projects. We also included a UI application that acts as a citizen dashboard, which allows the citizen to stay informed about their energy usage relative to their community development goals. And our application also included a UI for community managers who are responsible for defining the projects that the citizens can vote on. So breaking this down in an example, we have this idea that first, the municipality would set an energy consumption goal. Citizens, an individual citizen could lower their energy consumption to 200 kilowatt hour during a peak energy period. And when the citizen achieves that goal, the smart contract will calculate and issue voting credits to the citizen, who can use those to vote on the projects that they care about. And so the smart contract is accounting for the votes as well. And then when the voting period ends, the smart contract then notifies the municipality and the citizen in a transparent fashion. So
this demo will cover Jeb's proposal for Wonchong's Smart City Wildcard Challenge. This application builds on the infrastructure provided in decentralized trading and lifecycle management proposals, so check those out for additional context. What we're going to show here is an interface mock-up to demonstrate workflows. Hopefully this application has not yet been fully built. But in brief, the system we present uses access to granular device-level energy consumption data through a transparent, decentralized data network in an on-chain programming environment to provide an ecosystem where sustainable behavior can be more effectively incentivized than has been possible in the past. So what you see here is a smart terminal or web dashboard interface for a resident in a micro-region of a smart city. The municipality issues monthly challenges to decrease or optimize energy consumption habits and agrees to allocate community development funds equaling the market value, or at some percentage of the market value, of the energy saved by residents during the length of the sustainability challenge. And it commits those funds to whichever development initiative receives the most votes from the residents of that micro-region, with the votes being weighted by contribution to the actual goal. So this allows us to incentivize participation in these sustainability goals, and these initiatives, by bringing a real-world benefit back to the residents that affects them on a micro-location and web scale. So we choose like a small district, and we have proposals for how to allocate those funds here. You can see there's one for like a fitness center, for the addition of speed bumps to a certain road. These are things that residents of that area will feel directly, and know that if they care more strongly about one of these proposals, by contributing to the goal, they can get the city to allocate more funds more quickly to the things they care most about. So in this example, residents of this district have been challenged to reduce their peak hour energy consumption by 10%. Their individual building and region-wide participation is easily inferable from the device data persisted to the blockchain network, which means their votes on how to use these funds can be weighted according to how much peak hour energy they actually saved from last month to this month. So let's say this resident really wants that fitness center to get built. You can go into this interface, vote, it's a short description, and can allocate his delta between what he had previously used during peak hours in the following month, and what he used this month, and that difference is what is used as the weighting metric for his vote, which has just moved the needle about 1% in this example. So at the end of the predefined time period, votes are weighted and tallied, and then the funds are allocated, and you can see, historically what has happened here in the history of Payne. We see the water consumption was reduced, and funds were saved, and the selected proposal was allocated. So this is a simple but potentially very powerful application, and it's especially designed to demonstrate the flexibility offered by a transparent, real-time, public access data utility like the one that we described in our proposals. So lots more details than we can cover here are included in our proposals that have been written out and submitted along with this video. So if you have any questions, please contact us, and we look forward to the chance to build this in the future. Thanks.
Great. So the video that we just played was narrated by Matt Smith, one of our senior developers and resident blockchain experts on the GEM team. He was very much in charge of all of the work that we did for the Wanchong Global Blockchain Challenge. So in summary, what we are looking to establish here is a system that allows for people to account for the actual energy that they're saving and then point that to projects in their community that they care about. You can imagine the financing of a local sports team, the creation of a fitness center in this example, as well as other types of activities that you might want to see in your neighborhood, like the addition of a stop sign so that people don't drive as fast. And it's through this application that we hope to really incentivize people to take more action in their energy use. So this concludes my presentation for the Wanchong Blockchain Challenge Wildcard. And I really want to thank Wanchong for providing us this opportunity and giving us a stage to present GEM to the world. We'll be here at the conference for the rest of the week, and I look forward to meeting with many of you and talking more about how GEM is applying our technology to energy, sustainability, healthcare, insurance, and supply chain technology.